If you have an industrial space, such as a factory or warehouse, that needs a one-off deep clean, a full restoration clean, or regular contract cleaning, CPL can deliver it to the highest standard with minimal interruption to your operation. As an experienced industry cleaner, we can deep clean both internally and externally. We're well equipped to remove impregnated industry grime, remove film and oil deposits from any surface, and sterilize where needed. You can rely on our skilled and experienced team, who can clean with the latest environmentally friendly technologies. These include DOF and torque, and highly effective methods such as ice blasting and soda blasting, to make sure there are no entrapment issues or nasty byproducts left behind in your premises. For a free, no-obligation quote, visit our website or call us today.